600 acres of land in Andhra Pradesh, a fifth-generation stealth fighter program, and a country that has until now bought rather than built. That equation is changing, ladies and gentlemen. The Defence Research and Development Organization has secured approximately 600 acres in Andhra Pradesh for the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft Program, or as it's otherwise known, AMCA, is of course India's indigenous fifth-generation stealth fighter, designed, developed and intended to be produced entirely within the country. The club is small. The United States, China and Russia are currently the only countries operating fifth-generation stealth fighters. India is now building the facility to join them. The Andhra site is planned to support production, testing and sustained development, not mere prototype work. The land allocation signals that the program has moved past the drawing board and into physical commitment. Andhra Pradesh has been positioning itself, as we know, as a defence manufacturing corridor. A facility of this scale brings industrial activity, supply chain development and private sector participation into a state that has been actively courting the sector. The broader program, though, is built around stealth technology, AI-driven avionics and advanced composite materials. Basically, capabilities India has historically imported rather than produced. AMCA will eventually be measured against the F-35 and China's J-20. That is the competitive frame India has chosen to enter. Timelines and execution will of course determine whether that comparison is flattering. 600 acres is a number. What it represents is a decision about what kind of defense power India intends to be. The AMCA program has been debated for years. The land is now allocated, the mandate is set, and the work is structural rather than aspirational. Whether the execution matches the ambition is actually the only question that remains. And Andhra Pradesh is where that answer begins to take shape. Please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.